Hey, in this video, we'll be talking about PENGU and the PENGU price prediction. And right now, PENGU is at a perfect spot. We've talked about this 2 days ago. I gave you this short for 7%. We closed it yesterday. And the question is, am I buying right now? And it is all here. It is all in the view app. I'll tell you what I'm waiting for. So make sure you hit the video with a like. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. Let's start. So money flow is going down. You can see this red thing right here going down. You can see RSI going down. Yes, it's green, but we're going down. We don't really have VWAP curving up on the daily chart to have a positive confirmation. And if I add the 2-day chart, which sometimes gives us a little bit of a better, okay, I don't have it on this trading view. I kind of got to switch it, but whatever. What we have right here is money flow curving down, which is breaking out of this low. VWAP having a divergence, yes, but it's still curving down. So in terms of volume, what is happening on these lows is quite interesting. We will pull it up to this level. We can see that we have more sellers than buyers, like 2% more sellers, 10% more sellers here, 5% more sellers, sellers. We start to get a little bit of buyers at this level right here, the 18,347, and we have a lot at 15,872. So what I'm expecting right here is us going down to this level and bouncing. And I can start DCAing, or if you WAP curves, I can start buying instantly because we're close and we have this support. So ideally, this is how the PENGU trade would look like. And I want to tell you right now about a special project with this video.
All right, guys, we're here to talk about Grape coin, or GRP. There are 5 reasons why I believe Grape could be a top 20 coin within the next year. Number 1, Grape is the most powerful chain ever created. That's right, I said it, ever created. That's because every single user node adds 1,000 transactions per second, so it is indefinitely sustainable with 100 million, 200 million, even 500 million TPS within possibility. Why is that a big deal? Number 2, it's a big deal because even in Q4 of this year, Grape could set itself apart by being the most advanced AI chain on the market, with the ability to create near instant apps, simple games, and smart contracts on chain with a few sentences using natural language prompts. By combining one of the most powerful chains ever built with the best AI features of any mainnet, the result is the future ability to host the most complex games on Web3. Number 3, there are big announcements and releases planned. One of them is the ability to use the AI features I mentioned above before launch. This release will allow apps to be created in seconds on Grape Chain with only a few prompts. That's huge because, as far as we've seen, no chain has launched features to that extent. So it could lead to thousands of apps being created on Grape in a very short period of time. Number 4, Grape has half the supply of Bitcoin, so its supply is tiny. That's why it traded at almost $1,000 per coin already. Number 5, it's about to be relaunched. Why is the relaunch massive? Well, if you've seen any coin relaunch, like Matic to Polygon, it surged at 7,000%. This is because it's taking something proven, fixing the issues, and relaunching it into something better. Like I said, GRP was trading at almost $1,000 a coin without any functionality and without any of the announcements I talked about above. Right now, you can get it at a very short window right before relaunch. It's currently at $1 per coin after bonuses, essentially $3 with a 66% bonus, making it the average of $1 a coin. It's currently at its lowest price. You can get it, and it's about to go up to $15 per coin. So just to recap, one of the most powerful chains ever invented, big releases and announcements imminent, and half the circulating supply of Bitcoin, on top of the fact that it's about to have a big relaunch happen. You can get it right now for $1 right before it increases to $15, and that's why I believe GRP will be a market leader next year.
So yeah, GRP is big. I'll show you the website and I'll have all the links in the description down below for you to make an informed decision. But basically right now you can get it super cheap. I genuinely believe in this project, and right now they're running a limited time 60% bonus event, as you heard from the video. And what they're doing is, which basically makes it $1 per coin, as the CEO said. The bonus percentage is dropping every day, and the price is set to increase to $15 per coin. I remember that it is gonna change today. Just signed up to the website yesterday, had a look. Keep in mind, during the first launch, the last launch, the all-time high was nearly $1,000 per coin. So this could be a huge opportunity, 1,000x, if they manage to pull this through. Again, I'll have all the links in the description below for deck paper, the light paper, airdrop news, more info about the roadmap. So yeah, make sure you use the link in the description to take advantage of the bonus while it's still active. The first link in the description will be the Grape link. See you next video, guys. Bye.